Spirit Boosters. I just made some delicious biscuits from scratch. I didn't do the 2 ingredient method. That's when you use 2 cups of self-rising flour and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I did it all from scratch. The only difference I just used, instead of buttermilk, I did use the heavy whipping cream. And they're tender and moist and delicious. And I've used the to brown them, I used this a little mayonnaise on top before I placed them in the oven. I coated them with a little mayonnaise so that they would brown. Like you see, they are brown, and they brown nice and pretty. But these biscuits are so moist and tender. They're delicious. I thought maybe they might turn out a little salty, but no. My recipe worked. Well, I call it my recipe because that's the ingredients I use to make these biscuits. And they are quite good. And I'm so proud of myself. Now, I can cook from the scratch without doing a 2 ingredient. I like to cook from scratch using the baking soda, the baking powder, salt, sugar, flour, milk, butter. That really motivated me. I just seen something that motivated me to want to do this, and I enjoyed myself, and I did love doing this, cooking from scratch. So I just wanted to share this with y'all. This might be shared in a video, another food video, but yeah, these biscuits are good. Thanks for watching. This is the other side of the biscuits. They came out nicely brown on the bottom too. They are so moist, so delicious. I'm so proud of myself. Cooking from scratch is the business. Okay, Spirit Boosters. This is my apple cobbler filling. And it's all seasoned, done. And the only thing I'm about to do is prepare my pan and my crust. So I'm just going to put this in the oven to cook my crust because everything is ready. And boy, is it delicious. I have lemon, orange, flavoring, nutmeg, allspice, and a couple of few other things in there to give it that good. So this is my apple cobbler, and I'm going to come back when I got it in the pan and with the crust on it and with the finished product. So this is a combination cooking video. I shared some biscuits. Y'all seen that earlier. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, Spirit Booster, here's my first crust in the bottom of the pan. I'm about to flavor it, so hold on, I'll be right back. Crust is flavored. I'm about to dump in my filling. I'll be back. Spirit Boosters, I have the filling in my pie pan, and now I'm about to put the top crust on it. I will be back. Okay, Spirit Booster, I have completed the pie crust topping. As you can see, I did it all rusted looking, and then I flavored the top crust. I'm about to put it in the oven on 350. Let it cook until the crust is brown and done. I will return with the finished results. Thanks for watching so very much, and happy holidays, Spirit Boosters. Spirit Boosters, I made some candy yams. I just took them out the oven. I am about to cover them up. This is another part of the food that I'm going to be sharing in the video. Candy yams, flavored to my perfection. I love it. Put some of that orange juice. Oh my God, it's so good. It's so tender and firm. I love it. Love it. Hope y'all can see all right, because I don't have a light on. Okay, Spirit Boosters, it is I, Janita, back again. With the finished product. My pie, my apple cobbler, preferably made the way I want it, is nice and done. The crust is looking good. I can see the filling all bubbly and look like it's thickened up because I did put a little flour in there. Everything is good. I can't wait to break in here and get some. I might give me a little bite and show you guys. but it's like a cobbler, so it's not going to cut like a pie. I'm going to scoop this out and have some, I guess, right about now. Hold on. Okay, Spirit Boosters, I have cut me out a piece. As you can see, lots of filling in there. And I added some of that almond non-dairy Cool Whip topping on top of here. I'm about to go have me a little bite. And thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you don't forget to like it. If you want to share, that's fine. I know I didn't do all the steps, but I did enough. And I'm so proud to share my holiday desserts with you all. And I hope that you guys are enjoying all of your holiday desserts. And once again, stay in survival mode, y'all. That's my tip. That's my message. And I'm about to go enjoy this pie. Look, my little with topping has slid to the side because it's kind of warm. Nice warm and gooey pie. Loving it. Y'all like warm gooey pie, or do y'all like your crust hard? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to read in the description box, because I leave little tips, thoughts, ideas, messages. Okay, y'all? All right, later.